On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, overall the markets today were mixed. The Dow Jones was down almost 70 points, minus 0.20%, to finish the day at 33,550.27. The NASDAQ was up almost 30 points, 0.22%, to finish the day at 13,092.85. The S&P 500 was up almost 1 point, 0.02%, to finish the day at 4,274.51. Dow closes lower Wednesday as stock comeback attempt fails. Expect an upwards bias in the markets for the next 24 hours. Expect a risk-on environment the next 24 hours where the Canadian dollar will have a strong bias to the upside and the Swiss franc will have a strong downward bias. The strongest currency pair over the next 24 hours with a strong upward bias will be the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, followed in second place with a downward bias the Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar. Both currency pairs are sitting at extreme high and low prices. Expect a decent sell-off in the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, and rally in the Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.